like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends.
Hey friends, it's Jenny. Welcome back to another video. First up is one of my favorite recipes, this blueberry and pineapple smoothie bowl. In a high-speed blender, add some coconut water, frozen blueberries, about 5 to 6 frozen pineapple chunks, some frozen banana, about a tablespoon of hemp hearts, and a teaspoon of some blue spirulina. This is by Unicorn Superfoods. Blend everything up until it is smooth and creamy. This is one of my best smoothie combinations ever, y'all. I wrote it in my recipe book a year ago and I always come back to it. I usually have it as a drink, but it also makes such a great smoothie bowl too. And not to mention, the color is stunning. Now you can add anything you want on top. I'm adding some fresh kiwi, some fresh raspberries, and a little bit of homemade chocolate granola that I made. This recipe is one of my best. I hope that you try it. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. Next, I'm making some no-bake chocolatey brownies. These are date sweetened. In a food processor, add some macadamia nuts, 2 cups of pitted dates. I always measure dates on a scale, so 2 cups of pitted dates equals 350 grams. I always do that for accurate measurements because dates aren't always the same size. Then add a little bit of sea salt, some really good vanilla, and some cacao powder. Pop your lid on and process for about a minute. Keep going until everything comes together and forms a big ball of dough. Add the mixture to a parchment-lined square baking dish. Using clean hands, flatten out the mixture until it's about 1/2 inch thick. You can be creative with your toppings on this. I'm just adding some chopped up walnuts and some shredded coconut. Chill the brownies in the fridge for about an hour so that they can firm up a little bit, and then they'll be ready to eat. These brownies are delicious. They're all natural, not a single processed ingredient, so a perfect option for anyone who just wants to have a healthy snack. For dinner, I'm making some creamy and smoky red lentils over quinoa and topping it with some chopped avocado. In a large pot, add some chopped yellow onion, about 3 medium carrots, a big dollop of some minced garlic, and about a cup of water. Bring this to a simmer and cook for about 8 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm getting my quinoa ready too. I'm just following the package instructions. Once the veggies have tenderized a little bit, you can add in the red lentils, a couple more cups of water, tomato paste, smoked paprika, a little bit of chipotle chili powder, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and some sea salt. Stir that really well and then bring it to a boil. Once it reaches boiling, immediately reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes covered. After about 10 minutes, it will have thickened up nicely like this. Then add in some light canned coconut milk. And don't forget, all the recipes in this video are written out in the description box below. Give it a taste test and see if you need to add any more salt or pepper. I'm adding a little bit of mixed greens to my bowl, followed by the quinoa that we made. It came out perfect, just light and fluffy. I have had this meal with rice, but I really prefer the quinoa. Then top it off with the red lentils and some chopped avocado. The avocado tastes incredible with this dish. I don't know what it is, but it really brings everything together nicely. I hope you enjoyed today's video. All of the recipes I made today are gluten-free, vegan, and whole food plant-based. So I hope that you give some a try. If you do, please let me know. I will see you in my next one. Bye!